And today is December the 5th, 2009. Here we are at Marezva's house. Syria is working on a piece for us. Morning, Syria. I'm just fine. How are you today? Syria is working on a piece in Springstone. Will you sit it up and just show us how it looks, Syria? This is brought to you by Utonga Gallery, www.utonga.com. Specialists in Zimbabwe sculpture. And while Syria works on that, when the sculpture is finished, this sanded and wet sanded. This is a process known as washing, using very fine sandpaper, sometimes up to 2000 grit. And once the pieces are ready for the final polishing, then they're heated, and then a good deal of wax is applied, and it gives it a good finish. Here's one of Syria's completed pieces. Mother and a child. And this is how the piece looks before the finishing process. And you can always reach us at 843-296-7046 if you're interested in Zimbabwe sculpture. Here's a piece by Marezva, Syria's brother. And then another piece by Tonderai here. This one is called Silhouettes. Again, these sculptures are done in Springstone. This is some raw Springstone, and that's what sculptures, how they start their life. And now back to Syria. Syria, thanks. Can't wait to see what it looks like in the end.